In today's session, you are going to find the roots of the quadratic equation. Hi, I'm Syed. Welcome to my channel Educate with Syed. Let's get started. The question is find the roots of the quadratic equation by factorization. The equation is 100x square minus 20x plus 1 is equals to 0. So let us take the equation. The equation is 100x square minus of 20x plus 1 is equals to 0. So once again we'll try to take the first and the last term. So just try to multiply this one. 100x square, the first term is multiplied by the last term 1. So we'll be getting 100x square. Now try to choose two terms such that when you multiply you have to get 100x square. When you add or subtract you have to get this middle term minus 20x. So what are the possibilities that you are having to get this 100? One is 50 2s are 100 you have, 25 4s are you have, then you have 10 10s are 100. So if you try to observe over here, when you multiply, suppose if I consider this one 10 10s are, it is 100, but if you add or subtract will you get minus 20. So 10 plus 10 will be 20. So you will be getting this expression. If you add 50 plus 2 or 50 minus 2, we don't get 20. If you add 25 plus 4 or 25 minus 4, we don't get 20. So the only possibility you have is 10 tens are. So 10 tens are is 100. X into x will become x square. But I need to get minus 20. So to get minus 20, you can write that as minus 10 minus 10 minus 10x and minus 10x. Will that not be minus 20x? And when you multiply it, minus of minus will become plus. 10 into 10 will be 100. X into x will be x square. So therefore now if you write down, this is 100x square. This minus 20x can be written as minus 10x minus 10x plus this 1 as it is equals to 0. Let us group the first two terms and the last two terms. If you group the first two terms, what is common in these two? Is 10 common? Is x also common? Observe here, x is common. Then what will be left out here? 10 tens are 100 it is. One x is removed common outside, one more x will be left out. Then you have minus of 10x is already gone outside, we are left out with only 1. Similarly here, minus sign is there, so I am taking minus outside, minus 1 I can take. There is no other term that can be taken common, therefore I have taken it as 1 as common. So therefore here minus sign is already taken outside, you will be left out with 10x. So minus sign is there, minus of minus will become plus. 1 into 1 will be 1 is equals to 0. Now further group this one, 10x minus 1, 10x minus of 1. So I will take this 10x minus of 1 as common outside. So I will be left out with what value? This 10x will be left out, and from here minus of 1 will be left out is equals to how much? 0. So we have got these factors. Now equate each of the factor to 0. 10x minus of 1 is equals to 0, and the second factor 10x minus of 1 is equals to 0. Both the factors are the same here. So therefore 10x will be equals to, this minus 1 goes on the other side, becomes plus 1. X will be equals to, it is 1. This 10 goes on the other side, is divided by 10. So x value will be equals to 1 by 10. Similarly here 10x is equals to, this minus 1 goes on the other side, becomes plus 1, or x will be equals to, 1 is as it is, cross multiply this 10, it is divided by 10. So both the values are the same. Therefore the roots of the quadratic equation will be, the roots of the quadratic equation, the roots of the quadratic equation The roots of the quadratic equation are 1 by 10 comma 1 by 10, 1 by 10 and 1 by 10. So that's the required solution. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. That's all I have for today. Thank you.